I studied the Premier Pro course, Zero to Hero, so I'm almost a hero. It definitely does. I work as a senior graphic designer, and this is an area we're moving into. So having some experience and understanding the course, so I can start doing simpler design videos, but moving into something more complex as I become more competent. Oh, Ian was amazing. He was so good, and the training was excellent. He explained everything really, really well and was very personable as well. So I really enjoyed the course with him. I thought it was brilliant. I might as well have been in the room with Ian and my other colleagues. Everyone had their screens on, which made it quite personable and chatty. And I don't think I could have done it if it wasn't live online, because where I live, I wouldn't have been able to travel easily into London and Manchester. Also got lots of family commitments at home, so it would have been very, very difficult. So it definitely wasn't held back at all by the fact it was online. Absolutely. In fact, you were recommended by one of my colleagues, which is one of the reasons why we chose to do this course.